Welcome to the tutorial on bypass capacitor. The bypass capacitors are applied between the power supply pins VCC and the ground of integrated circuits. They reduce both the power supply noise and the result of spikes on the supply line. They also provide immediate current demands of an integrated circuit whenever it switches. So here you can see why a bypass capacitor is being used. The high frequency noise is eliminated because of the presence of the bypass capacitor, and at the output side you get a reduced noise to the integrated circuits. The waveform of voltage versus time shows the difference between the output obtained without the capacitor and with the capacitor. Clearly it is visible that with the capacitor the noise has been reduced. Now let us look into understanding what is a bypass capacitor. A bypass capacitor is a capacitor that shorts AC signals to ground in a way that any AC noise that presents on a DC signal is removed by producing a much cleaner and a pure DC signal. A bypass capacitor basically bypasses the AC noise that may be on the DC signal, filtering out of AC so that a clean and a pure DC signal goes through without several AC ripples. So here we have shown you the circuit wherein an NPN transistor is connected, and you can see that the emitter resistance is represented as RE. The signal that is flowing through the emitter is a DC signal plus the AC noise, and we want only the DC signal to be passed through the resistance RE. Or in order to segregate the DC signal and the AC noise, we make use of this bypass capacitor so that the pure DC signal passes through the resistance RE, that is the emitter resistance. So I can say that a capacitor employed to conduct an alternating current around as a component or a group of components. Regularly an AC is removed from an AC-DC combination. The DC is then free to pass through the bypass component. So that is what has been done here. We have eliminated the AC noise and only the pure DC is allowed to pass. Next, usually if you see the bypass capacitor, it is being used in the emitter circuits. So let us look into the emitter bypass capacitor. So you can see that the emitter bypass capacitor here is represented by CE, and the DC signal is purely passed through the resistance connected to the emitter terminal. When an emitter resistance is added in a CE emitter amplifier like the one which is shown here, its voltage gain is reduced but the input impedance increases. So whenever a bypass capacitor is connected in parallel with the emitter resistance, the voltage gain of the CE amplifier will increase. So if the bypass capacitor is removed, an extreme degeneration is produced in the amplifier circuit and the voltage gain will be reduced. So clearly in the emitter configuration we make use of the bypass capacitor to obtain an increased value of voltage gain. So coming to the uses and the functions, it is used in power conditioning and power factor correction, real-time clock calendar with EEPROM, DC-DC converter, voltage reference, DSL amplifiers, signal coupling and decoupling, high pass and low pass filters. So to conclude, I can say that a bypass capacitor is needed to lower the high frequency noise at the power supply rails caused by other circuits.